Cause the girl them want them fuck them know for reach me girl. Pon the phone just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. Hold on, let me check for it. Yeah, we're live. We're live and direct. Yes, I. Alright, you don't know Cogency from you see the face and hear the voice, once you see this, the puffer vest. Last time I said puffer jacket. It's a puffer vest. Cause the sleeve them out, cause the muscle them for. Yeah, that's that. But yeah. Watch them even depend on the. Hey, alright. So today we have Sin Squad, GPX, SAVheezy, Unks. I build that shit. Cause bro don't kill that shit. 2 ups on the lat, I spin that quick. Hey. Oh, like that, like see a jig. Ups on the block, give us some min, bros. Bringing the dots, I'm bringing a spin. Yo. As you can tell, my RD, I look forward for this. My RD. And then 22 hours ago, I RD 182k views. Amazing. Almost 200k in a 24 hour. Amazing. We'll get straight into it now. There's no time. I like it as well. Make sure you view it and like it, 1, 2, now. Ready? Need to hurry up and find out of this still, kite. I get hot.
How is CDOT funded and where do you get your money from? The simple answer?
Sin Squad. So if you watch the Do Road reaction, the same tag there, and when it say,
A lot of people ask us, how is CDOT funded and where do you get your money from?
how is CDOT funded and where do you get your money from? In the Do Road one, after them say, where you get your money from? Do Road say, Fumez the edge there. Today, what them say, Sin Squad.
The simple answer?
Sin Squad, shout Fumez the engineer, plugged in, through the GPX.
Sinners.
So snatches. Bow.
Bow.
You never did it.
Ready.
Typers typing, gang them riding. I just lifted, now I'm hearing sirens. I'm 3 deep on the next block where 2 poles up, this can never be silent. Shorty's all at mine and excited. I make her slurp it up and then ride it. She asked me to make a song about girls. I said, nah, babes, I'm promoting the violence. He's
Yo, at least the man honest. The man honest now. I have to pull it up. Pull it up, selector. Brother, girl say, yo, you can't make no song, bono. You see me? Big body girl come, you see me? None of that, no big body girl, nothing. But him say, no, you just ching ching. What him did say? Up block tripping on an up block where the ups are missing. Times 2 got the drop from a vixen. SS suspects got the victims.
Typers typing, gang them riding. I just lifted, now I'm hearing sirens. I'm 3 deep on the next block where 2 poles up, this can never be silent. Shorty's all at mine and excited. I make her slurp it up and then ride it. She asked me to make a song about girls. I said, nah, babes, I'm promoting the violence. He's gas put his bitch in Chanel. Till gang pulled up and he got touched and we left him to drip with his girl. Show me a trap house, I'll show you a stain. These cars get flipped.
Well, say, you want to make your girl drippy? Yeah, we'll make you drippy too. The 2 want to drip together. Birds, allow it dog. Birds that drip together. Fuck it, dog. Fuck it up.
A song about girls. I said, nah, babes, I'm promoting the violence. He's gas put his bitch in Chanel. Till gang pulled up and he got touched and we left him to drip with his girl. Show me a trap house, I'll show you a stain. These cars get flipped when they creep on it. Feds want me to rob in jail. If I link GP, said I'm breaching my belt. Thought it was gang till I heard he folded. Course we slimed him out like one snail. I saw link O for a pack of the ops and everyone knows.
Slimed him out like one snail. Yo, you know the snail them slime you already, lad.
Flipped when they creep on it. Feds want me to rob in jail. If I link GP, said I'm breaching my belt. Thought it was gang till I heard he folded. Course we slimed him out like one snail. I saw link O for a pack of the ops and everyone knows who it is from the smell. Run up on me, untuck it, leave lungs punctured, or we just click it and bang. You go shooting range and you ain't got aim. If I press this button, hit you and your man. Pop them doors, try do it close range. Aim, bust it, Erica Banks. Said I don't smoke no more, let me roll one, fuck it. Now I'm just high as.
The one thing I can say with this though, I feel like at certain part in my race, in word them in my race, the verse, you see me? The cadence pan the rhythm, the way I'm, you see me? I don't want to say bunks. Yeah, the bunks for the rhythm, yeah. I might rush it for certain words and then for other words. it sound clean, but for the most part, it go on good still.
Go shooting range and you ain't got aim. If I press this button, hit you and your man. Pop them doors, try do it close range. Aim, bust it, Erica Banks. Said I don't smoke no more, let me roll one, fuck it. Now I'm just high as still too much to the dome. Shout, what's his
all of the UK people, them know what him say while ago. Enough Jamaican people that go know what him say while ago. When him say him high like, shh. Yeah, you know what him say.
button, hit you and your man. Pop them doors, try do it close range. Aim, bust it, Erica Banks. Said I don't smoke no more, let me roll one, fuck it. Now I'm just high as still too much to the dome. Shout, what's his name is my favorite strand. Serious stepper, outstanding member. I find it offensive if you ask if I lack.
Got one in there. All open. Dead on the scene. I don't know how this is coping.
Brother, the whole of the man first two line them have to blur out, brother. Didn't even know what him say. A joke thing.
I find it offensive if you ask if I lack.
Got one in there. All open. Dead on the scene. I don't know how this is coping. My little bro love jewels. He's upcoming like full folding. Since squad known for the slapping. Since squad known for the poking. Free slap with the judge giving 30. He held that and he showed no emotion. And with the gang we just got down my man. The fans that with the
Free slap it in a dog, but there's no way me I get 30 years and show no emotion. What? Yeah, idiot.
like full folding. Since squad known for the slapping. Since squad known for the poking. Free slap with the judge giving 30. He held that and he showed no emotion. And with the gang we just got down my man. The fans that with the music loading. Where's I found him. Give me a lighter, let me smoke him. That shit got me choking. Since squad ain't the ones to be provoking. Ching man down with my black blade in my right hand, rip shirt so
no, I've ever pulled that up, dog. No, the man them just love, especially him. Cause I mean, I can't even talk too much about it, dog. I swear.
Since squad known for the slapping. Since squad known for the poking. Free slap with the judge giving 30. He held that and he showed no emotion. And with the gang we just got down my man. The fans that with the music loading. Where's I found him. Give me a lighter, let me smoke him. That shit got me choking. Since squad ain't the ones to be provoking. Ching man down with my black blade in my right hand, rip shirt Hulk Hogan. KK, that's my bro now.
Oh, my rip shirts Hulk Hogan. Even though Hulk Hogan racist. Brother.
Let me smoke him. That shit got me choking. Since squad ain't the ones to be provoking. Ching man down with my black blade in my right hand, rip shirt Hulk Hogan. KK, that's my bro now. On phone him. I love me a caramel golden. Beyonce on my dark.
What I'm saying at that ad lib there, come hear it in a so much. Like, I'm start listen songs from what day. I'm start there that ad lib there so much. It's like, B.O.B.
On phone him. I love me a caramel golden. Beyonce.
Somebody tell me what I'm saying in the comments, please. B.O.B.
On phone him. I love me a caramel golden. Beyonce on my dark skin Ting Kelly rolling. The gang just got down. They left my man soaking. Don't start with your wrist. Before I rub man, no holding. She sucked my dick, but when my man died, she post him. Jiggle the double barrel dotty. That's the dilemma like hit.
What does say?
Suck my dick, but when my man died, she post him. Jiggle the.
Dog, me tell you about the up top them in my youth. We have thoughts that fuck with the ups. If you give me the drop, it's a rap like next up. Dog, the up tots, dog.
Scott down.
Them are going too bad, my youth.
They left my man soaking. Don't start with your wrist. Before I rub man, no holding. She sucked my dick, but when my man died, she post him. Jiggle the double barrel dotty. That's the dilemma like Kelly rolling.
About spin that coupe. No wonder you're missing. Tell bro, stop right there. Let me jump out the car, get close and wig him.
Dog, red card for even forwarding, so. Man say, yo, spin which coupe? Big up abs still.
It's a dilemma like Kelly rolling.
God no!
About spin that coupe. No wonder you're missing. Tell bro, stop right there. Let me jump out the car, get close and wig him. I swear she got lucky that day. If he butt me and Sav, then he's definitely finished. That day was an hour glad. We done my man, it was less than a minute. Back my ying out, get close and fishing. Me and gang can rap about countless drillings. With it, sick in the head, I'm twisted. Rise that mash in less than an instant. More time is a window, ching it. Nowadays he hop in the ride and bring it. He ain't got juice in his fucking bore, or somebody tell my man to zip it. Headshot, you're pissed. My shoe has been taping strips. You can get corn on the main like or drench drenched in the dark like. Oh, I is dip that and dip that this man. When we're on piss. Bro said aloud the fallen, but them man chat like this.
See what I talk about? Like, dog, the bad them just can't help themselves, dog. It's like, them just have to call him name.
You can get corn in the main like. Or drenched in the dark like. Oh, I is dip that and dip that this man. When we're on piss. Bro said aloud the fallen, but them man chat like this. How's man questioning me about how many times I stepped on the pagan strip? Got drenched in front of his yacht. Not gonna lie, that bitch was thick. You was in the A, driving the auto.
Man say, yo, the girl go there, they a ball out and a scream fear, man, you know, but yeah, she thick still. God, nah.
But them man chat like this. How's man questioning me about how many times I stepped on the pagan strip? Got drenched in front of his yacht. Not gonna lie, that bitch was thick. You was in the A, driving the auto. Tell me, how did you crash your whip? Skid skirt, foot on the gas. On the next road, we duck down.
Fumez, the engineer.
Oh, so SAVheezy up on the next song. Alright. Come here and say, what's up there? Sav no forward. Wait, who attack that? T.I. Big up T.I. Big up Ludo.
You know, a lot of people ask us, how is CDOT funded? And where
Big
do
up
you
C.Dot.
The simple answer?
The simple answer? Fumez the engineer. Fumez the engineer. Ooh. You hear the piano there? What on there?
Your friend got dropped, there's no respawning. If he's a legend, the bro's legend killer like Randy Orton. The gang them got down him and
you see me? Wax is like, alright, Wax feel how me feel, dog. It's like, how much more of this you can make for the man? How much more? The first song, everybody dedicated this to him. Next song, Unks just started off straight. Man say, yo, what him say? Me know him say legend killer like Randy Orton, you know. All the WWE brother they do that, you know. Listen to this.
your friend got dropped, there's no respawning. If he's a legend, the bro's legend killer like Randy Orton.
The thing is the bar body, you know, that, but I wish the body would just get fit some proper word, you know, the thing say it not sound like it rush, dog. Cause it sound like him say, legend killer like Randy. No, it's it might can work still. I feel like I pause it too much, but give a fuck, nigga.
Your friend got dropped, there's no respawning. If he's a legend, the bro's legend killer like Randy Orton. The gang them got down him and him. They say that we gone too far. Bro hit to the dots. Try to save them shots. Must have thought he was Van der Sar. Man's on alert for spinach. Bro, if I have to, I'll do it on my jack like Grealish. This golden.
One time, yo. Yo, hello? Digicel? Yeah, me have to make a request. I want you cut off all Wi-Fi. I want you cut off all 3G, 4G, and 5G. Where you say you have 6G? Yeah. Cut that now. Yeah? Right now, SINs could have a plugged in, you understand? And the money not going to right. So I just want you lock off everything. You understand? Yeah, man, me making no one for load it up back. Yeah. Big up. Yeah, dog, so nobody now go watch this after me watch this, yeah? Because Digicel a lock off Wi-Fi after this. That me I tell you.
No alert for the dots. Them got down him and him. They say that we gone too far. Bro hit to the dots. Try to save them shots. Must have thought he was Van der Sar. Man's on alert for spinach. Bro, if I have to, I'll do it on my jack like Grealish. This golden one, she cute, she talking about love, I had to put her on.
Big up Jack Grealish, yeah?
Shots, must have thought he was Van der Sar. Man's on alert for spinach. Bro, if I have to, I'll do it on my jack like Grealish. This golden one, she cute, she talking about love, I had to put her on mute. Let's show the bat to spin this coupe. Left their goons.
Hello, spin this cute. Let me jump out here slapping out cars. Reminds me of my man who ran that day. He ran so fast but didn't get far. I swear he's a
dog. SAVheezy. Mama class.
Left their goons.
I'll spin this cute. Let me jump out here slapping out cars. Reminds me of my man who ran that day. He ran so fast but didn't get far. I swear he's a should've got whoosh with a star. Instead he got Anglo armed. Rambo catch him, serious slash him. SMB no talk. We run Harringay map. I don't know how they chat on gang about YKTV. You know the vibe. 2 times gang got the animals need to.
I mean, everybody I get it. Everybody I get the smoke today. Everybody I get the smoke today. Mr. Pratt. No. Think if them did this E1 yet, but I'm not hearing an E1 this yet. But man, them a god, man. Not gonna lie, but I just think, dog, like the body them just the diss them just get more like devilish every time I hear them.
Slash him. SMB no talk. We run Harringay map. I don't know how they chat on gang about YKTV. You know the vibe. 2 times gang got the animals need to fill this bind, so I'm trying to slay these prats. How you gotta sing on the drill you did? Trey songs, but in the songs you rap.
Like on your block, that's critical drenching. Run man,
The drill the animals need to fill this bind, so I'm trying to slay these prats. How you gotta sing on the drill you did? Trey songs, but in the songs you rap.
like on your block, that's critical drenching. Run man down trying to wet and chef him. Why so fast, no creft him? I hate when I pull up in flats, no cap. They all did a dash, man, I had the intention to send man to see their cousin, brother, OG, best friend, a bedroom. My ops are stressing in front of the church, screaming out.
Can't wait for the day that I bought Young S.
Why so fast, no creft him? I hate when I pull up in flats, no cap. They all did a dash, man, I had the intention to send man to see their cousin, brother, OG, best friend, a bedroom. My ops are stressing in front of the church, screaming out peace with an L to the reverend. Shorty won't hold this 40, why she won't talk about dates to the western? How many times did phone him? Hop in the ride, I said I'm into like western. New watch, new necklace, system settings, please don't attend them. I love all my brothers, I pull it on my mothers. You can't name a nigga that we ain't got. Me and Six used to lurk in the so much, me and folks took it up as a day job. And if it's daytime trips I'm taking, merchant at
No. Dog, me have to pull up all of this, dog. Man say him turn lurking into a day job. Let's just calm down. We could just settle for a second. And we could see if him really a say what him just say a while ago. Everything what him say, we're gonna say if him really say it now. Cause me no believe.
man to see their cousin, brother, OG, best friend, a bedroom. My ops are stressing in front of the church, screaming out peace with an L to the reverend. Shorty won't hold this 40, why she won't talk about dates to the western? How many times did phone him? Hop in the ride, I said I'm into like western. New watch, new necklace, system settings, please don't attend them. I love all my brothers, I pull it on my mothers. You can't name a nigga that we ain't got. Me and Six used to lurk in the so much, me and folks took it up as a day job. And if it's daytime trips I'm taking, merchant at L by the night is taped off. GG stepped on the enemy turf. Free got burst, it was nothing like airsoft. And you ain't never took that risk. Up block trips, 2 sticks, and if I see pigs, then bro's gotta floor it now. I don't even.
You better talk about the rushing thing. Like, I understand where you're in the car. I'm an artist too, so I understand more where you're in the vibe and you just a spit. You see me, but you have to, you understand? If anything, take it line by line so you can just, I don't know still. But it could have end up be like so much better without the liquor delivery mistake them dark for somebody like me where make music and them something, them think about them something, you understand? Especially when it like pronounced like that.
L by the night is taped off. GG stepped on the enemy turf. Free got burst, it was nothing like airsoft. And you ain't never took that risk. Up block trips, 2 sticks, and if I see pigs, then bro's gotta floor it now. I don't even sip no drink, but I still double cup L20 what I'm pouring out. And it's still too much M to the dome, but when I link to his loud, sinning, blicking, walk away grinning, spinning.
Well, wait a second.
M to now. And you ain't never took that risk. Up block trips, 2 sticks, and if I see pigs, then bro's gotta floor it now. I don't even sip no drink, but I still double cup L20 what I'm pouring out. And it's still too much M to the dome, but when I link to his loud, sinning, blicking, walk away grinning, spinning.
I just realize the L and the M, I just realize what it mean. If him say K, it done, that's so.
Gotta floor it now. I don't even sip no drink, but I still double cup L20 what I'm pouring out. And it's still too much M to the dome, but when I link to his loud, sinning, blicking, walk away grinning, spinning, Fivio foreign style.
They're like the sinners tapped in the head. How many times have they tapped with the 10? If I tap on the spin and I tap it again, you know what, I might catch me at M. You know what, I might turn man off, but I won't switch sides like Berbatov. Had to Fumez to win that bunda. Had me feel like Jurgen Klopp. Just show me how to pull it on. Had to Fumez to win that bunda. Had me feel like Jurgen Klopp. Just show bro how to pull it on.
What the fuck him just say?
Again, you know
Let's
what,
pull up the whole verse.
to his loud, sinning, blicking, walk away grinning, spinning, Fivio foreign style.
They're like the sinners tapped in the head. How many times have they tapped with the tent? If I tap on the spin and I tap it again, you know what? I might catch me at M. You know what? I might turn man off, but I won't switch sides like Berbatov. Had to Fumez to win that bunda. Had me feel like Jurgen Klopp. Just show bro had to pull it on burst. LOL in the is curse. I heard my man got hit with a whoosh, but I know the other ones got done up worse. You can't get back on the get back. I made the young G's put blazing shirts. Got slapped, they weren't staying alert. Got put in the earth. Sneak and creep like Assassin's Creed. Me and SAV tryna SAD. Nowadays I got step on minors, and I ain't talk about PYTs. I shot him through, then he's talk about refund. Hey rude boy, bring that receipt. Bro stretch him up, he was begging him please. Fuck that, we ain't hearing him plead. When I was locked up, I didn't get no bell. When I was locked up, they didn't send no mail. Bro got a stick and put A in his clip. We ain't telling no fibs, you heard my man fell. When went jump up my man's girl, I made sure he play with herself. Don't blame her when it was his fault. It gets like that when you're treating them well.
Fumez, the engineer.
Uggs, we feel the same way. Hold on, listen to the beat, dog. Jeez. Hold on, wait till the piano forward.
Fumez, the engineer.
Ready. Who we need for big up? Big up Fumez, big up Sin Scott, big up C that, big up TR, or TR, not TI. Big up Ludo, see that again. Mitchie Taylors and Chromatics. Yeah, man. Plugged in. Sin Squad, GP, KK, SAVheezy, and Uggs. You know, plugged in with Fumez. You understand? Tough still. The rudeness, me don't know how much ruder NPK can get because me listen vets. Rudeness in that too. Bully B say him have more than 10 man pan him shank. Me don't know how you know more than 10 people where you are shank or end up in a situation for shank more than 10 people, but big up Bully B still. What me I say? See me have to hurry up and take this off because me I get hot. But yeah, Sin Squad, plugged in with Fumez, tough. Check it out. I'll get in the description below. You understand? Cogency and I'm out. Peace.